Hello everyone, this is Jason, Colorado Mountain Man Survival. Today we're going to go over some of the uses of wild plants, very much overlooked part of survival. First off, we're going to start off with identifying a handful of wild edibles that you can eat out in nature. Really, that's a small part of what we do here. This plant use is covered in the Artisan of Wild Plants class that we host out here. First of all, after identifying the wild plants that you can eat, we're going to go into medicinal uses. We're going to make tinctures. We'll take a wine bottle and we'll break the bottom of this and we'll turn it into a funnel. You can see that's open through here. We'll make a tincture that you can use for ailments. Next thing we'll do is we'll make a salve. We'll use some beeswax along with some good cooking oil. You would use either grapeseed oil or avocado oil or coconut oil, a high quality oil that will absorb into your skin, with a mixture of plants, medicinal plants that we find out here that are good use for topical. Some of the books I use for medicinal plants, here's a couple books that I use when we're out identifying plants. Really, it's hard to remember everything there is to know about plants. So using books, there's no problem with that, and you always need to be sure of what you're using before you stick it in your mouth or on your skin. A couple of books that I use for identifying. Actually, students are out right now with some of my books, so here's some that they left behind. I really like Colorado specific books. These two are pretty specific to Colorado's or the Rockies. This one is good for identifying plant families, and then they've got about 3 or 4 more out in the field right now. So we'll use those books to identify the edible plants and the medicinal plants and their uses. Above and beyond the salves and the tinctures, will also make a liniment to use for sore muscles. This is sneezeweed rubbing alcohol. Obviously you don't drink rubbing alcohol, but this will go on your skin to help with sore muscles and joints, so we'll go over using that. Another important thing to have, move some things out of the way here, when you're making medicines, I got a mortar and pestle. This way we can break down the plants so we can get the nutrients out of them quicker, and we'll cook those. We'll extract the medicine out of those plants using a low heat and simmering it over a flame to really draw those medicines out. But we'll show you parts of this today in this video, and then hopefully you'll be able to use this to build upon your knowledge base for making your own edible plants, salad, or whatever you want to call it, your medicinal plants, using either a salve, a tincture, or a liniment that you can put on your skin. But stick with me and I'll show you some things that you can do with the plants out at 9,500 feet.